Today we are installing a 24-foot round composite foam wall panel pool above the ground. If your pool is being installed semi or complete in-ground, please review the installation instructions on the specifics for backfilling and the requirements on a concrete collar. In order for your pool warranty to be deemed valid, you must register your pool at www.mypoolwarranty.com. Important notice before installation: safety stickers. The safety stickers must be installed as per instructions. Failure to properly install warning labels will void warranty. Failure to mount these safety labels may subject you to substantial liability in case of injury. These warnings are not to be removed under any circumstances. If they become discolored or fall off, please request replacements, which will be sent at no charge. Site choice and preparation. Site choice and preparation is your responsibility. All parts to be handled with care and free of dirt and debris. Confirm you have all parts. Assure entire framework is level. Pool rupture due to improper installation could cause serious property damage. Follow all safety instructions. Read and follow all safety instructions packaged with pool, ladder, deck, or any other accessory. Additional pool safety publications can be obtained by contacting the Association of Pool and Spa Professionals, www.apsp.org. Introduction. Congratulations on becoming the owner of a new swimming pool. This is the instruction packet for installing your swimming pool. The following are some helpful hints that you should take into consideration before installing your pool. Read through the entire instruction booklet before you begin. This will enable you to find out exactly what is involved with installing your swimming pool before you begin. Do not attempt installation in windy or gusty weather. This will not only make installation more difficult, it may result in damage to your pool before it is completely installed. You will probably find that steps 1, 2, and 3 will be the most labor-intensive and time-consuming steps, although we have broken down the installation into many simple steps. Once you have completed those 3 steps, you should find that the rest of the installation moves along much more quickly. Time estimate to install the round pool, excluding earthworks and filling, is about half a day. You will need at least 3 people to help with installation. Please be sure to review all safety material and local codes before beginning your installation. Section 1. Insulated pool. Round above-ground pool. Step 1. Select a pool location. Do not locate the pool over underground lines, septic tanks, under electrical lines, near hazardous structures, out of local code restrictions. Do not locate the pool on a site that is hilly. Avoid areas with sudden slopes within 6 feet of pool that has bad drainage. In areas with sharp objects, ground treated with weed killer or other chemicals, that has nutgrass, Bermuda grass, or bamboo grass in the area. They can grow through your liner. Do not assemble your pool on asphalt, tar, or oil-based surfaces, with components such as filters, pumps, and heaters placed in a way that they can be used as a means of access to the pool. Do make sure the area selected has a level and firm base. Surface is a flat 2 feet beyond pool diameter. Access is available to electrical and water supply. The pool is set up away from structures which could encourage dangerous activities, like jumping from roof. You are aware of local codes and regulations. Step 2. Create a foundation. 2.1. Establish the pool circumference by putting a stake in the ground at the center of the site. Attach one end of either a tape measure or a string to the center stake. Measure out half diameter of the pool to be installed. Create a circle around the stake with spray paint. This is going to be the footprint of your pool. Now, add 12 inches to the previous measurement and make a larger circle around the existing one. This is the area which you will need to remove the sod and dig out for the pool installation. Remove sod within the circle. Find the lowest spot within the pool area and level the ground to that lowest spot with shovel, rake, or pick. Dig high areas down to this level. Do not add dirt to the low areas, as that will cause settling after the pool is filled with water. Remove protruding roots, stones, and other sharp objects. 2.2. Confirm level and flatness using a long straight edge board or 2x4 and a carpenter's level or transit. Step 3. Install patio blocks. 3.1. Mark pool diameter using center stake and mark divisions on the radius as indicated in the chart below. Break the patio blocks in half and place the first set of patio block halves as shown. Check the height of the patio blocks with a level or transit. The rest of the pool will be level to this location. It is very important that all patio blocks must be flush with the ground, solid and level with each other in all directions. Repeat for each set of patio blocks as each wall panel is installed. Step 4. Wall installation. Remember, place the wall panel with the skimmer cutout close to the site of the electrical outlet and in the location you have selected for our pump and filter equipment. 4.1. Place one end of a pool panel into a bottom plate that is on the split patio blocks. Install the next set of patio blocks at the other end of the panel. Make sure the second set of patio blocks is level with the first set with a transit or level. Place the next panel into the other side of the bottom plate on the set and align the panels. 4.2. Slide two splines into compression seams to lock panels together. Do not force. Splines and seams must be free of sand and dirt. We recommend applying cooking oil or white lithium grease to the ends of the splines before you slide them in to avoid sticking. If the spline sticks, apply cooking oil. Do not use petroleum lubricants like WD-40. The panels must be perfectly aligned and level for the splines to slide in. Adjustments to the panels include slightly raising the far end, lowering the far end, moving the far end in toward the center of the pool or out away from the center of the pool. Repeat this with each remaining panel as it's installed. Note, before final panels are attached, bring in sand for floor and cove. 4.3. Make sure panels are fully inserted and centered into the bottom plate at the panel joints. After the entire pool wall is installed, drill 7/16 holes through pool panels at bottom plate hole locations and secure with 2.5-inch bolts and nuts. 4.4. Recheck and ensure the roundness of the pool by measuring the diameter across the pool from panel joint to panel joint in several locations. Do not skip this step, otherwise you may end up with a slightly oval shape, which could cause problems later on. Step 5. Skimmer installation. 5.1. Place U-shaped foam insert into the skimmer panel opening. 5.2. Place the mounting plate with a small opening on the inside of pool and the mounting plate with a large opening on the outside of the pool wall. Loosely secure assembly with 2.25-inch countersink bolts and T-nuts through 4 corner holes. Add 5th bolt and T-nut and tighten. 5.3. Install skimmer from outside of pool through to gasket on inner plate. Secure and tighten with 2 panhead screws through gaskets and inner plate into center hole in skimmer. Tighten 4 corner bolts. Do not over-tighten or you will damage the panel. Note, skimmer faceplate in skimmer assembly will be attached after pool liner is installed, locking the skimmer firmly in place. Step 6. Return fitting installation. 6.1. Place round return plate over opening on inside wall and insert return fitting through return plate and wall. Insert second round return plate over return fitting on outside of wall. Then install back nut to secure inlet fitting. Do not over-tighten or you will damage the panel. Step 7. Create pool cove. 7.1. Using neutral alkalinity sifted earth or fine sand without pebbles, create pool cove 4 to 6 inches high along entire inside circumference of pool. Not optional. This will prevent the liner from creeping under the pool. Do not use any substance with high alkaline or acid content, especially peat moss, as it will corrode metal parts. Since the presence of such chemicals is beyond the control of the manufacturer, such damage is not covered by the warranty. Use remaining sand to give 2-inch deep sand base over the entire pool area to protect the liner. Rake, tamp, and smooth the whole pool floor area. Step 8. Install plastic top rail. 8.1. Snap rail lengths over pool wall, leaving half-inch gap between edge. Gap should be offset from wall joint. Using a drill, install half-inch colored head cap screws. These screws will self-drill directly into the rails and the pool wall. Placement should be one about 2 to 3 inches from each end, one in the middle, and one between the center and each end screw. Press down firmly on the top of the rail while you are fastening it to the pool wall. Do not over-tighten or you will strip the screws. Once the screws are started with the drill, stop. Finish installing the screws with a screwdriver by hand. Step 9. Install liner. 9.1. Check sand in pool is level. Remove liner from carton and unfold. Loosely refold and unfold in the pool from the outside. Snap liner bead into receiver track around entire pool. Remove as many wrinkles as possible by pulling or using a soft broom. A shop vacuum can be used to remove wrinkles by attaching vacuum hose to skimmer outlet and seal with duct tape. Remove vacuum after 6 inches of water are added. Step 10. Install faceplate. 10.1. Locate screw holes for each opening in pool wall. Carefully pierce liner with a nail or awl. Attach skimmer and return faceplates using 1-inch screws and tighten. 10.2. Using a sharp blade, carefully trim liner inside openings. Install eyeball into return. Step 11. Install top rail clips. Snap over gaps in top rail lengths. Do not screw in. Step 12. Fill with water. We recommend when the water level reaches 2 to 3 inches from return valve to install the faceplates. With the faceplates installed, complete filling the pool. And with that, we are done. We hope this video has empowered you to assemble your own backyard pool today. Thank you for watching.